Welcome to our English class. I'm Mrs. Pagar Vidya from Pimpalgaon High School, Pimpalgaon, Baswant, District, Nasik. Children, let's continue with our story from Unit 1, 1.2, An Encounter of a Special Kind by Tapan Mukherjee. As I told you, we have divided the story in four parts. We have already discussed its two parts. Now its third part, page number 10, paragraph number 2 onwards. Now I am going to read the paragraph. I took the baby langur to our backyard and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. His body was full of deep bite marks and scratches. Blood was oozing from some of the wounds. The baby remained motionless. My father provided first aid to clean the wounds and stop the bleeding. I was relieved to find out that the baby was breathing, even though his breaths were shallow. Look here. After taking the baby into his hole, he took the baby to his backyard. Look here, the image of backyard. Backyard means a yard behind the house. आपण त्याला मागचं अंगण म्हणतो, opposite of front yard. And gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. Look here, what is meant by poultry coop? Means a cage made for domestic fowls such as chickens, turkeys, ducks, etc. Poultry coop, कोंबड्यांचे खुराडे. He took the baby into that poultry coop. The body of the baby was full of deep bite marks and scratches. It's full of wounds, and blood was oozing from some of the wounds. Oozing means here releasing, overflowing, or coming out of the wounds. Blood was coming out of the wounds. रक्तस्राव होत होता. The baby remained motionless. Motionless means without any movements. Writer's father provided or gave him first aid to clean the wounds and to stop the bleeding. Look here, first aid means help given to a sick or injured one until full medical treatment is available. आपण त्याला प्रथमोपचार म्हणतो. Writer saw that the baby was breathing, though his breaths were shallow. Shallow means not deep. जरी श्वास मंदावलेला असला तरी श्वासोश्वास चालू होता. And so the writer was relieved. He became burdenless. He was reassured. रायटरला हायसे वाटले. Shallow breathing means here shortness of breath or drawing in minimal breath into the lungs. Now we are going to turn over to next paragraph. Writer sprinkled some cold water. Look here, splashes of cold water made the baby stir, and after a few shaky attempts, he sat up. He was in state of shock and started trembling like a leaf in the wind. His two little twinkling eyes welled up with tears, and he started to sob with a muffled cry, just like a human child would after experiencing trauma. I offered him a peeled banana, which he accepted with his unsteady hand and began taking hesitant bites. Here, writer sprinkled some cold water on the baby, and the baby made a slight physical movement. Here the words used are splashes of cold water made the baby stir. And after a few shaky attempts, few shaky efforts, he sat up. Means he was very much frightened after making some attempts. Here the word is used shaky. Shaking means here trembling or unstable. Why he made the shaky attempts? Because he was very much afraid. He was very much shocked and was trembling like a leaf in the wind. जसं एखादं झाडाचं पान हवेमध्ये थरथरतं वाऱ्यामध्ये, त्या पद्धतीने ते पिल्लू थरथरत होतं. His eyes filled with tears. The phrase used here is welled up. His twinkling eyes welled up with tears, means filled with tears, and started to sob. Sob means here with this feeling. To gasp noisily while crying. खुंदके देने. He started to sob with muffled cry, just like a human child after experiencing trauma. Look here, muffled means not. He started to sob with a muffled cry, means not loud, suppressed or quietened sound. हुंदके दे दे, दबलेले हुंदके दे दे. Trauma means here powerful shock or deeply distressing experience. आघात, शारीरिक मानसिक आघात. Writer offered him, means writer gave him a peeled banana. Peeled means without outer covering. सोललेली केळी दिले. The baby accepted, means took the banana with his unsteady, shaking, trembling hands. Why his hands were shaking or trembling? Because he was very much afraid and started taking hesitant bites. Hesitant means slow in action. म्हणजे बिचकत बिचकत त्याने खायला सुरुवात केली. Now we will turn over to next paragraph. My attention was fixed on the revival of the baby langur. Suddenly, I had an uncanny feeling of being watched. I turned away from the coop and looked up. There sat the mother langur on our kitchen roof, watching every move I made. She simply sat there quietly, as if convinced that no harm was being done to her child. Look here. Writer concentrated on the revival of the baby langur. Means he paid attention on the improvement in the condition of the baby. Revival means here bringing back to life. पुनरुज्जीवन करणे. Suddenly he felt weird, strange feeling. The word used here, an uncanny feeling of being watched. That he felt that someone is keeping an eye on him. कुणीतरी आपल्यावर लक्ष ठेवून आहे हे रायटरच्या लक्षात आलं. So the writer turned away from the coop and looked up. And there he saw the mother langur sitting on their kitchen roof and watching writer's every move. But she sat there quietly because she was convinced, she was sure, she felt certain, assured that no harm was being done to her child. तिच्या पिल्लाला काहीही दुखापत इजा होणार नाही रायटरकडनं ह्याची तिला खात्री पटली. Now students, we will turn over to next paragraph. Meanwhile, the baby sensed the presence of his mother and started to sob and cry a little louder. I retreated from the door of the coop to allow the mother access to her baby. Look here. Meanwhile, the baby sensed the presence of his mother. Sense म्हणजे त्याला त्याच्या आईची चाहूल लागली. Sense म्हणजे चाहूल लागली. And he started to sob and cry a little louder. So the writer retreated, means moved backward from the door of the coop so that she could enter the coop and meet her baby. We turn over to next paragraph. Immediately, the mother descended on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms. She gave the baby a thorough body inspection to check his injuries and then cuddled him tightly in her bosom. The baby found great solace in her caring arms. The mother sat still with the baby in her lap for a few minutes. It was almost as if she was pondering over her options and trying to figure out how she could keep the baby safe from the further assault. Look here, immediately means here at once, tatkal. Immediately the mother descended. Descended means moved downwards. You can see in this diagram. Ascending means upwards and descending means downwards. Khali ali. Descending on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms. Look at the diagram. She is picking up her baby into her arms. She checked his body thoroughly, means completely. Look here, she is checking the injuries of her baby, and then cuddled him tightly in her bosom. Cuddle means here held closely. तिने कुशीत घेतलं. Cuddled in her bosom. Bosom means here near her chest. Near her chest. छातीशी कवटाळले. Now the baby found comfort and peace in her arms. That is solace. बाळालाही निश्चिंत वाटलं. In her caring arms. She took the baby in her lap and sat quietly for a few minutes. She was pondering, means she was thinking over deeply how to keep her baby safe from the further assault, further attack. Now, students, we will turn over to new words and phrases from all these paragraphs. Coop means a cage made for domestic fowls such as chickens, turkeys, duck, etc. Khurade. Oozing means releasing, overflowing, coming out of. रक्तस्राव होणे. श्रवणे. Relieved means here opposite of worried. निश्चिंत. Shallow breathing means here shortness of breath. मंदावलेला श्वास. Stir means slight physical movement. थोडीशी हालचाल. Twinkling means here shining. चकाकणारे. Welled up, filled with, or rise to the surface and about to spill. काठोकाठ भरले. Muffled, not loud, suppressed or quietened sound. दबकत हुंदके देत. Trauma means here a powerful shock, deeply distressing experience. मानसिक शारीरिक आघात. Pilled means without outer covering. सोललेले. Hesitant, slow in action. घाबरत घाबरत बिचकत बिचकत. Revival means improvement in the condition of. पुनरुज्जीवन होणे, स्थिती सुधारणे. Uncanny means strange, weird feeling. एक अद्भुत जाणीव होणे. Convinced, assured or felt certain. खात्री पटणे. Retreated means turned backwards. माघारी वळणे. Access means of approaching or entering a place. मार्ग. Descended means moved downwards. खाली उतरणे. Thorough means here complete with regard to every detail. बारकाईने सूक्ष्म. Thorough. Cuddled, held closely. कवटाळणे. Bosom means breast. छातीशी. Solace, comfort and peace. निश्चिंत वाटणे. Pondering, thinking over deeply. सूक्ष्म विचार करणे. To figure out means to discover or to find out a way. मार्ग शोधणे. Now students, you are going to read all these paragraphs. You are going to learn all these spellings and also you are going to write those spellings in your spelling notebooks. I will come again with the remaining part of the lesson. Till then, goodbye.